Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the screen flash notification color on your Android smartphone, like your Samsung Galaxy phone, for example. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings menu on your phone. So just scroll up on the home screen and then select the settings button. And then you want to select notifications. Scroll down underneath General, select Flash Notifications, and then where it says the screen flash, it says it's either on or off. Just click inside of where the screen flash color is listed right here, and then you can pick from any of the colors listed here, and that's all you have to do. So you could do yellow, neon green, orange, purple, blue, red, yellow, purple, pink, for example. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.